Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Winn-Dixie points in 2025. If you're a fan of Winn-Dixie groceries, this rewards program can save you big bucks. Let's get started. First off, what's the deal with Winn-Dixie points? It's their loyalty program that lets you earn points on everyday purchases, which you can redeem for discounts, free items, or even exclusive deals. With the 2025 updates, it's easier than ever to rack up rewards, including new digital perks like bonus points for online shopping. Step 1. Sign up. If you haven't already, download the Winn-Dixie app or visit their website. It's quick and free. Once you're in, link your account to your debit or credit card for automatic tracking. Pro tip. Use the app to scan your receipts from in-store purchases to ensure you don't miss any points. Next, earning points is straightforward. For every dollar you spend, you'll get points. Typically 1 point per dollar, but watch for promotions that double or triple your earnings, especially in 2025 with their new seasonal challenges. Keep an eye on the app for limited time offers, like extra points on healthy foods or household essentials. Now, the fun part, redeeming your points. Open the app, go to your points balance, and browse the rewards catalog. You can use points for instant discounts at checkout, free products, or even gift cards. For example, 100 points might get you $1 off your next purchase. Remember, points don't expire as long as you're active, so use them wisely. A few tips for 2025. Integrate the program with other apps for seamless earning, and set up notifications for deals. Always check for any regional variations, as offers might differ by store. There you have it. Using Winn-Dixie points is a game changer for your shopping routine. Give it a try and start saving today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.